next models. Find the center and radius of the given circles. So first problem, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 41 is equal to 0. Find the center and radius of the given circles. So first one, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 41 is equal to 0. Now compare the given equation. Compare the above equation. Compare the above equation. Above equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals 0. Now here x coefficient 2g, here x coefficient is minus 4. So 2g is equals minus 4, and here y coefficient 2f, here y coefficient is minus 8. So 2f is equals minus 8, and c is equals minus 41. C is equals minus 41. So here 2 1s are 2 2s are, g is equals minus 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are, f is equals minus 4. Now multiply with minus on both sides. Minus g is equals minus minus plus 2, minus g equals plus 2, and here also minus, multiply with minus. So minus f is equals minus into minus 4 plus 4. So the center formula, center is equals minus g comma minus f, center formula. So minus g is equals 2, and here minus f is equals 4. So this is the center of the circle. Next, to find the radius. So radius of the circle, square root of g square plus f square g square plus f square minus c. Minus c. So radius r is equals square root of g is equals minus 2 whole square plus f is equals minus 4 whole square, and c is equals minus 41. So minus minus plus 41, r is equals square root of minus 2 whole square 4 plus minus 4 whole square 16 plus 41. So square root of 4 plus 16 20 plus 41 61. Radius of the given circle is equal to root 61. Next one, the given circle equation is 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 equal 0. Now compare the above equation. Compare the above equation. Compare the above equation with, compare the above equation with the given circle in the form of ax square plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals 0. Now here x square coefficient and y square coefficient is a. Here also x square coefficient and y square coefficient is 3. So here a is equals 3, and here x coefficient is 2g, and here x coefficient is minus 5. 2g is equals minus 5, g is equals minus 5 by 2, and here y coefficient is 2f, here y coefficient is minus 6. So here 2f is equals minus 6, 2 3s are, f is equals minus 3, and c is equals plus 4, c is equals 4. Okay. Now center of the given circle is, center is equals minus g by a comma minus f by a. It is minus g is equals minus 5 by 2, minus of minus 5 by 2 by a is equals 3, comma minus of f is equals minus 3, minus 3 by a is equals 3. So minus into minus plus 5 by 2 3 is 6, 3 1s are minus into minus 1 plus 1. Now center of the given circle is 5 by 6 comma 1. Next find radius. So radius of the given circle, radius formula square root of g square plus f square minus ac by mod a. Now radius square root of, substitute g is equals minus 5 by 2 and f is equals minus 3. G is equals minus 5 by 2 plus f is equals minus 3, minus 3 whole square, and a is equals 3 and c is equals 4. C equals 4 by mod a is equals 3, mod 3, square root of minus 5 by 2 whole square 25 by 4 plus minus 3 whole square 9, minus 3 into 4 minus 12 by mod 3 is equal 3. So r is equals square root of 25 by 4 plus 9 minus 12 minus 3 by 3. So radius r is equals square root of 25 minus 4 3 is 12 by 4 by 3. R is equals square root of 25 minus 12 13 root 4 2 by 3. So radius of the given circle is root 13 by 2 3 is 6. Radius r is equal to root 13 by 6. Next third one, find the center and radius of the circle. Square root of 1 plus m square into x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy is equals 0. Now multiply with square root of, here multiply with square root of 1 plus m square into x square plus y square. So square root of 1 plus m square into x square, square root of 1 plus m square x square plus square root of 1 plus m square into y square, square root of 1 plus m square y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy is equals 0. Now compare above equation, compare above equation with ax square plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals 0. So here x square coefficient is a, here x square coefficient is square root of 1 plus m square. A is equals x square coefficient, y square coefficient is a. Here also x square coefficient, y square coefficient is square root of 1 plus m square. So a is equal, small a is equal square root of 1 plus m square. And here x coefficient is 2g, here x coefficient is minus 2c. So 2g is equals minus 2c, minus 2c, 2 1s are, g is equals minus c. Here y coefficient is 2f, and here y coefficient is minus 2mc. So 2f is equals minus 2mc. 2 ones are f is equals minus mc, and here c is equals 0. C is equals 0. The center of the circle is center is equals minus g by a comma minus f by a. So g is equals here minus c, minus of g is equal minus c by a. A is equals square root of 1 plus m square, comma minus f is equals minus mc, minus mc by square root of 1 plus m square. Minus into minus c plus c by square root of 1 plus m square. So minus into minus mc by square root of 1 plus m square. Okay, this is center of the given circle. Next radius of the given circle. R is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus ac by mod a. Square root of g is equals minus c whole square plus f is equals minus mc whole square minus a is equals square root of 1 plus m square, square root of 1 plus m square into c is equals 0. C is equals 0 by mod a is equals square root of 1 plus m square. Square root of minus c whole square c square plus minus mc whole square m square c square minus square root of 1 plus m square into 0 by mod square root of 1 plus m square root of 1 plus m square. So r is equals square root of c square common 1 plus m square by square root of 1 plus m square. R is equals square root of c square c into square root of 1 plus m square by square root of 1 plus m square. So square root of 1 plus m square, square root of 1 plus m square cancel. R is equals c. So radius of the given circle is c. Find the equation of the circle for which the points given below are the end points of a diameter. So given points are end points of a diameter. Let first point is A and second point is B. So here let A point is 1, 2 and B point is 4, 6. Now find the equation of this circle AB as a diameter. End points of a diameter. End points of a diameter. So that is equation of circle AB as a diameter. So equation of a circle AB as a diameter. AB as a diameter is x minus formula x minus x1 x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals 0. So here x1 1, y1 2, x2 4, y2 6. Now substitute in this formula. So x minus x1 is equals 1 into x minus x2 is equals 4, x minus 1 into x minus 4 plus y minus y1 2 into y minus y2 6, y minus 2 into y minus 6 is equal 0. Now simplify. X into x square, x into minus 4 minus 4x, minus 1 into x minus x, minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4 plus y into y square, y into minus 6y, minus 2 into y minus 2y, minus 2 into minus 6 plus 2 6 are 12 plus 12 is equal 0. So here x square plus y square minus 4x minus x minus 5x minus 6y minus 2y minus 8y plus 4 plus 12 plus 16 is equal 0. This is the required equation of the circle. Next, obtain the parametric equation of each of the following circle. So first one is x square plus y square is equals 4. Find parametric equations of, so first one, so given circle is x square plus y square is equals 4. Now this is in the form of the circle x square plus y square is equals r square, standard form of the circle. So here center 0 comma 0, center 0 comma 0, center 0 comma 0, and this is h comma k, and here r square is equals 4, r square is equals 4, r is equals 2. Therefore the parametric equations, the parametric equations of the circle or formula x is equal to h plus r cos theta, comma y is equals k plus r sin theta. Now substitute here x equal to h is equal to 0, h is equal to 0 plus r is equal to 0 plus 2 cos theta, comma x is equals 2 cos theta, y is equals k is equal 0 plus r is equals 2 sin theta, y is equals 2 sin theta. So parametric equation of the given circles are x equal to 2 cos theta, comma y is equal to 2 sin theta. Next, second one 2x square plus 2y square equal 4. Here see in first one, here theta is equal 0 to 2 pi, 0 less than or equal theta less than 2 pi, where 0 less than or is equal theta less than 2 pi. Next, second one, two x square plus 2y square is equal 7. Here take 2 common, 2 into x square plus y square is equals 7. X square plus y square is equals 7 by 2. Now it is in the form of x square plus y square is equals r square, standard form of the circle. So here also center 0 comma 0, and here r square is equal 7 by 2. R square is equal 7 by 2. R is equal root 7 by 2. So h is equal 0 and k is equal 0. Therefore the parametric equations, the parametric equations of the circle or x is equal to h plus r cos theta, comma y is equals k plus r sin theta. X equals, substitute h is equal 0, 0 plus r equal root 7 by 2 cos theta, comma y is equal, substitute k is equal 0, 0 plus r equal root 7 by 2 sin theta. So parametric equations are x is equals root 7 by 2 cos theta, comma y is equals root 7 by 2 sin theta, where so theta is 0 to 2 pi, 0 less than r is equals theta less than 2 pi. Next, fourth one, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equals 0. Now compare above equation, compare above equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals 0. So here x coefficient is 2g and here x coefficient. Compare like terms are given circle and with the general equation. So here x coefficient is minus 4 and here y coefficient is 2f and here y coefficient is minus 6 and c is equals minus 12. 2 2 ja, g is equals minus 2, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, f is equals minus 3. So here center minus g comma minus f is equals, so here g is equals minus 2, minus of g is equals minus 2 minus f is equal minus 3, so minus into minus plus 2 comma minus into minus plus 3, 2 comma 3. So this is h comma k, h is equal to and k is equal 3. Now find radius r is equal square root of g square plus f square minus c. Square root of g is equals minus 2 whole square plus f is equals minus 3 whole square, c is equal minus 12, minus plus 12. R is equal square root of minus 2 whole square 4 plus minus 3 whole square 9 plus 12. r is equals square root of root 25, r is equals 5. The parametric equation, therefore the parametric equations of the circle are x is equals h plus r cos theta, comma y is equals k plus r sin theta. So here x is equal to h is equal to plus r is equals 5 cos theta, comma y is equals k is equals 3 plus r is equals 5 sin theta. So 5 sin theta. So required parametric equations are x equal to 2 plus 5 cos theta, comma y is equal to 3 plus 5 sin theta, where theta is 0 to 2 pi. So theta lies between 0 to 2 pi. Next, so this is important for 2 marks question. Find the equation of a circle which is concentric with x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal 0 and passing through minus 2 comma 14. So centers are equal, concentric means centers are equal, then the two circles are concentric. So in these two circles centers are equal, then the two circles are concentric. So now the given circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Now equation of the circle, equation of the circle concentric with given circle, that is equation 1. With 1 is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. So right here instead of minus 12 equals k, so remaining same, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. Now it passes through, if this is 2, it passes through, given it passes through minus 2 comma 14, it passes through minus 2 comma 14. Now substitute x equals minus 2 and y equals 14. X square minus 2 whole square, y square 14 square minus 6x minus 6 into x equals minus 2 minus 4y minus 4 into y is equals 14 plus k is equals 0. So minus 2 whole square 4 plus 14 square 196 minus 6 into minus 2 plus 12 minus 4 into 14 minus 56 plus k is equals 0. So 4 plus 196 200 plus 12 212 minus 56 plus k is equals 0. So 212 minus 56, that is 156 plus k is equal 0. So here k is equals minus 156. Now equation of the required circle is substitute k is equals minus 156 in equation 2. So equation 2 is, this is equation 2. Okay, is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k. K is equals minus 156 is equal 0. This is the required equation of the circle.